I'm James Zanewicz with Tulane Medicine here in the Bullpen at JPM 2025 with Yaacov Michlin from BioLight. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you. Great to be here.
Well, these are our KOL interviews, and I have three easy questions for you. Simple, painless, promise. The first one is just to talk about yourself a little bit. Give us your background and how you got where you are today.
Thank you. So first I managed the largest tech transfer company in Israel from the Hebrew University, created 2 funds for investment in biotech in Israel. Then I switched to manage a medical device company, created their sales and marketing team in the US, took them public on the NASDAQ. Then I left the company and now I'm managing BioLight. BioLight is a VC investing solely in ophthalmology, mainly in companies coming from Israel, but we have one company from Stanford. So we have 7 active portfolio companies in our portfolio. This is my day job. In my night job, I am the chairman of the Israeli Life Sciences Association, part of IATI, and I am the chairman of the largest conference of healthcare in Israel called the MIXI, that is taking place in March 2025 in Jerusalem.
Very nice. And so I think you probably given us a little preview, but what are you working on for 2025? What's your passion project? What do you wake up thinking about every day?
Okay, great. So in BioLight, we are trying to go for the innovative stuff that we think no one else has. So one of the projects that I currently focusing more on it, we managed to show that we can take a tear sample and diagnose different stages of retinal diseases. No one ever did it.
From a tear?
From a tear.
Wow.
Usually people go for the front of the eye disease, and we have one company in our portfolio that is doing it, but this is relatively simple. The more complex is to find. So we had some great results in humans now that we managed to differentiate between the various stages in AMD just from the tear. This is a very powerful tool that can serve also to create drug targets. This is one exciting technology. Another technology that I'm working on, we now merged 2 of our companies, and we have platform for delivering drugs to the eye, and especially we managed to show in a very nice clinical study that in animals that we did in North Carolina, we managed to actually deliver axitinib, which is a known anti-VEGF, to the retina with topical administration, and we were as good as the golden standard injection, which is the Eylea. So this is like the holy grail of the ophthalmology. I mean, if someone will manage to replace this very painful intraocular injection for AMD patients with topical administration,
patients are going to be way happier.
So these are the 2 projects that I'm focusing on this year. We just took one company public in Canada just in December, so we are pretty busy.
Well, obviously being busy, you could use some help. And that's the great thing about the Bullpen is the mantra is to find someone, help them, and repeat. But when you're a KOL interviewee, you get to make your ask of the Bullpen for help. So how can the Bullpen members help you achieve these goals this year?
So I have 2 main asks, one on my day job and one on my night job.
All right, I love it.
For my day job, Israel is a 10 million people country, and I always say that the innovation in Israel is like the area of Boston or the Bay Area in California. We don't have so many investors and VCs like you have here in the States. So my main ask is connection to VCs and investors. We have amazing companies in our portfolio and in general in Israel. And I think those that will be interested in the technology will see that they get amazing technology and with valuations that are lower significantly than what you usually expect in the US. So these are great opportunities for VCs. And I'm a VC myself in Israel, so I know how it works. So this is an ask. So connections and VCs that are to invest in Israel. The second ask for my night job is that those that are not familiar with Israel and the innovation taking place in Israel, come to Israel, March 4 and 5 in Jerusalem. We will host you. Every Bullpen member will get a VIP treatment. I already spoke about this also with the head of Bullpen, with Christian.
It's a great ask. I like that.
We will arrange a special VIP track. They will be my personal guest as the chairman of the conference. And I think that they will have a beautiful time in Jerusalem to experience the Israel innovation.
Oh, fantastic. I love this. And I really appreciate you joining us in the Bullpen at JPM. We always like to say it's better in the Bullpen. I think, that offer alone, it's an ask and an offer for people, which is a tremendous opportunity to visit Israel and learn about science and innovation and perhaps find something great to invest in.
For sure. Happy to be here. Thank you very much for the opportunity.